Hello everyone, I'm Giacomo Bertoldi. I'm senior researcher at EURAC, Institute for Alpine Environment and Center for Climate Change Transformation in Bolzano, Italy. My poster is about adapting water resource management in an alpine region. As many people know, mountains are the water towers of the world. And as, for example, here in India, where Himalaya is feeding a lot of people in the surrounding plains, also in the Alps, the Italian Alps are feeding the Po Valley, so are very important water resources. But we know also that now, due to climate change, there is an intensification of hydrological cycle. There are more extremes, both dry and wet, and also an increased risk of drought and changes in the cryosphere, which are affecting our water availability. So the question is here, which kind of impact will have those changes in the water availability of our region, and how we can adapt? For that, we did a regional adaptation study to define an adaptation strategy for our region, look into the different sectors through a very participatory approach, interviewing the stakeholders to understand which are the main risks on the sector of water. And so we came out to understand which are the major risks of the different sectors, like water and agriculture, water and winter tourism, water and energy. For example, for agriculture, we noticed that there is an increasing needs of water for the region, and we need a more efficient irrigation, and we need also to have less conflicts, because those increasing conflicts are causing some problem. For the winter tourism, there is a lot of need of artificial snow in our region for the winter tourism. And for this reason, we need to optimize this production. And for the energy, there is a lot of hydropower production in our region, and we need to have a more integrated approach where hydropower production is also, the storage could be used for pumping, so in combination with the use of renewable energy like solar panels, and also for using some storage for agriculture. So we developed a list of recommendations for a better adaptation in our region for climate change and better management for water resources. You can also here go to the report and understand more about this issue.